looked like. When he showed me, I thought for sure he was just pulling my leg. And he goes, nope, this is what it is. I go, all right. Here we are taking out the cotter pin so that we can get the nuts off. We're going to try the prop knocker on this. The prop knocker is a harmonic vibration kind of way of getting your prop off.
See how this is though, a little bit? Maybe
and it's a little 1.25 inch metal piece that you screw on and hit with a hammer.
It's not that bad though.
Okay. See if it'll keep turning.
Stops right there.
Okay, then come back out.
Okay.
Okay, then I'll go back in.
Okay.
What we're trying to do here is we think the threads are clogged up, so we're threading it on.
Stops right
and
there.
then unthreading it to clear out the thread. Okay, put the wrench on it and just go a little bit.
Okay.
Don't force it, just feel it.
Yeah.
See if it's just a little snag inside that prop knocker. If not, we'll just try it right there.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, and just see how it feels whenever you do it. One more time. How's it feeling? Just a little
snug.
Okay, back it off.
Okay.
Yeah, it can't be too bad. I think there's just some gunk in there.
I think so too, maybe.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Hold the wrench on there.
Okay.
Oh, nope, that ain't gonna work. Go ahead. Okay, stop there.
Right
let's
there,
just try it.
Yeah, let's just try it. I don't want to go on either. Okay.
Okay, make sure you don't hit my rudder.
All right, ready?
Yep. I think you need to hit it harder.
I do.
Yeah.
I know you ain't know. Here, want me to record while you do it? Yep.
It moved.
I don't think it moved either. It's not. Want me to give it a few more whacks, or you want me to go get that bolt and try to smack it off from the other side?
Try and give it a whack.
Okay.
That's because that's a 4-pound sledge instead of a 2.
Yeah.
Just don't hit that rudder and don't miss. I think you need to try and tighten it up a little bit more.
Okay. That's as tight as it goes.
Okay, that's fine. Try it. Take your time. That had a deadened sound.
Yeah.
Yep, stop.
It's working? Oh, you know what we didn't do?
What?
Mark it. Was it too late?
Yeah,
or?
do it one more time.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Take that thing off.
Okay.
Where's that bolt so we could tap it from this side?
Navigate it.
Oh my God, that thing worked. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Hit it a couple more times before we do this.
Okay, there you go, right?
Okay, there it is. Pop that
There
off.
it is? Okay. Oh, okay. Can you take this off?
Yeah.
Alright.
See?
See, Robert? Pro, huh?
Yep. You're a pro prop knocker.
Don't worry, I'll teach you how to do that someday, okay?
Okay, be careful now. There's a thing in there. Remember I told you about the keyway?
Oh, yeah.
And you had to be careful?
There we go. Okay.
Okay.
We got the keys right there.
Okay, make sure it's not pulling forward when you're doing that.
Okay.
Okay, come over here and just tap it.
Okay.
Okay, hold on a second.
Okay.
I think that keyway may have moved. Oh yeah. Shit, come back and tap it back on. See what it's doing? Because that keyway, I don't want to mess up my threads.
Okay.
See it?
Yeah, it looks like it's... Got that back.
See, something's causing it to push up.
Okay. So...
And I think it's that keyway.
Alright. I don't see where it...
Okay, push it back on as far as you can.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay, slowly work it back. Yep, it's stuck on that key. Yeah, the keyway's coming out. Push it back.
Okay, push it back.
Push it back. Okay, see if we got a little screwdriver or something to push it back. Because the keyway's coming forward. The keyway was stuck, so I had to put down the camera to help get it off. Okay. So we got this, what did they call it again?
Prop knocker.
Prop knocker.
1.25 inches.
Yep. Okay, will it stick onto anything? No?
Nope.
Okay. Okay, now go ahead.
Alright. And set this one right underneath it,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Yep. Because the last time I could see it moving.
Okay.
Oh, it's already moving.
It is? Okay.
Okay, tighten that back up because it seems like whenever that loosens up, it doesn't work as well.
Okay. Well, that guy said we'd laugh, but it's getting them off, huh?
Yeah. He told me whenever he called me, you'd be surprised what this thing looks like. When he showed me, I thought for sure he was just pulling my leg.
Uh-huh.
And he goes, nope, this is what it is. I go, all right, I'll try it. It worked pretty damn good.
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
Yep.
Okay.
It's off.
It's off? Okay. Alright, so I have no more sense in hitting it then, right?
Nope. Take
Okay.
that thing off.
Take that thing off.
Okay, all we got to do is put that screwdriver in there so that the keyway doesn't slide forward with it.
Okay. There's that.
Okay, see?
Okay. Now I need to get the screwdriver in here.
It's right under your elbow.
Okay.
Okay, and just tap it back
Okay.
a little bit. Okay, pull the thing forward.
Okay.
Looks like you pushed it back on.
Okay, there we go. And
Yeah,
now-
see how
now
it...
tap it forward a little more?
Yep.
Okay.
Use a hammer. Your hand isn't
Oh.
working, dude.
Okay.
And you're actually just pushing the
Prop back, huh?
prop back.
Okay, like that.
Okay, wait. Pull it forward again.
Okay.
Okay, I got it. Go ahead and hammer it again. Okay, now it should come off.
Now it should come off. Okay.
Watch out so it don't fall on your
Okay,
head.
I got a hold of it.
Because your head's right underneath.
Okay.
Oh, nope, it's still
A
hitting.
little bit more
Yeah,
back?
I'm going to hold it.
Okay.
Okay, stop.
Okay.
Pull the prop forward.
Okay.
Just come forward a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, stop. Now go ahead and hit the keyway back.
Okay.
Okay,
Feels
be
like it's
careful.
all-
Yeah.
Okay, now it's coming, huh?
Yeah, it should come off.
Okay, got it.
Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm holding the keyway up there.
Bradley's gonna tape it. Okay, I got it, Robert.
Okay. You got enough so they're tape? Yep. Okay, cool. Okay, let's get the nuts back on there.
Okay.
That was easy.
It was really easy.
Whoa, it's turning. There we go. Okay, good.
Once I start hitting it, there was no way we were gonna
No,
get it
yeah.
off watching you hit that thing.
Yeah, right. How many times did you hit the other side and nothing happened?
Well, until I realized I had to really smack it, and then you seen I got an angle on it, and
And
then...
bullcrap, I'm the one that got this one off.
Okay.
It almost hit you in the head.
All right, I'll give you credit for that one, Robert.
Okay, so what does that prop say?
Okay, let me see.
Does it say right?
Yep, LR.
LR.
So,
Okay, so
but let's clean it up a little bit and get a picture.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
They made that pretty easy.
See? Oh, it goes right past the keyway, Robert. That's how we know we're all the way on the other side.
Okay.
Because
cool.
I see from the red line on this one.
Okay, cool.
Okay. And then so.
Okay, so that's kind of what we got going under here. I gotta quit shaking so much. That's what we got going under here. Okay, so I like that thing. I'll buy it from Prop Knocker. And I was looking right here to see if the shaft was going back at all, and it wasn't. You see that little gap right there, that shiny little spot?
That's a trick how that's done, though.
Yep.
Well, and this right here, too, Robert, it's weird.
What?
Well, it says R1, but then it's a 7 and a 9 crossed out, then 5 inch and a 1/4.
Well, get a good picture of it.
Okay. And we can always ask the guy what that means, huh?
Yep.
And you'll see what I mean here. Okay, that's cleaned up pretty damn good. Now I see how we cleaned up.
Okay, so this is a prop knocker. It threads on to the shaft, and you hit it on the back end. We'll show you the video, but I wanted to show you that's all it is. And it cost me $75, but I'll tell you, it was the best $75 that I spent. I bought a couple of pullers, and they didn't work. So this was a really great value here. So they were going to rent it to me for $15, but I figured I might as well keep it for $75, and no matter what, I always have it. You know, save me a headache, and you'll see how easy it was to use. Well, I just picked up my props from the prop shop. Delta propeller. And man, do they look nice. Woo-wee. Ain't they pretty? Now here's the funny part. They may look pretty, but look at me. I don't know if I can do that. I'll have to do another thing. Well, let's look at it. Now, nobody make any comments. I don't want any little... Well, anyways. I went into the store, didn't even notice. I hope somebody didn't think I was doing something crazy. But I was cleaning the black paint off the bottom of the boat, so I can put new paint on the bottom of the boat. And this is what I look like. But those are pretty.